We all go through difficult times, and for some, getting through those darkest hours can be a matter of building and retaining a positive mindset. So here are some ways to try and help maintain that philosophy. Number 1, practice gratitude. Every day, commit to pen and paper a list of things that make you feel grateful for that day. Now, they don't have to be big things. In fact, they probably work best if they are just the small little things. Maybe it's a taste of a lovely cup of coffee, the smell of cut grass. Maybe it's just some kind words someone said. Whatever it is, it's always good to reflect back on the positive things that have happened in what could otherwise have been a difficult day. Number 2, practice self-care. Set aside time every day to do something that makes you feel good, makes you feel in the moment, and makes you feel present. It doesn't have to be elaborate. Maybe it's just a nice bath or some uninterrupted time reading a book. But it's always useful to have something to look forward to at the end of your day. Number 3, maintain a routine. Do ensure that you get your 7 to 8 hours of sleep every day and wake up to an alarm at the same time. Try and set that alarm a little bit earlier so that you have time to start your day off positively. Maybe give yourself an extra half an hour to sit and read the papers or have a nice sit-down breakfast. Continue that throughout the day, ensuring you have enough break times and you're getting time to re-energize with lunch. At the end of the day, it truly is the end of the day, so shut that laptop and switch off. Number 4, learn a new skill. We know that by picking up a new skill, or indeed trying to complete a previous task that you never quite got round to, you can get yourself a sense of purpose and gain confidence. You may even make friends along the way. Try and find something that you're going to find fun, that doesn't feel like a chore, so that you have something positive to focus on. Sometimes it's not about your mental health, but about that of someone around you, maybe a colleague, a friend, a family member. There are certain signs and symptoms that you can look out for that may indicate that someone is struggling with their mental health. These include complaints of difficulty sleeping or just appearing tired and lethargic. They may not be able to focus as well on tasks that they would have done normally. Maybe their motivation is waning at work. They may seem generally anxious and more irritable, or seem more sad in mood. They may also have a change in their appetite or their weight. There are lots of ways you can try and help someone who seems to be struggling with their mental health. Often it's just about opening up the dialogue and asking them that simple question, are you okay? Sometimes they'll be open and they'll want to talk to you. Other times they're not quite there yet, but they at least know that you're there for them and that you care. There may be ways that you can help them by discussing simple self-help measures that they can take, like exercise, diet, de-stressing, but you should also know your limitations and when to seek help and when to signpost them for them to be able to get more support. If they're a colleague, there may be ways that you can support them at work as well. Sometimes it's just simply about the encouragement to speak to their HR, line manager or occupational health. Some workplaces also offer employee assistance programs, EAP, which is essentially a well-being program enabling people to access mental health support and counselling. Unfortunately for some, these low moods and anxieties can start to become very intrusive and filter into everyday life. If you've tried self-help measures and they're not helping, do speak to your GP. You may be suffering from clinical depression or anxiety, and it may be that you need more support, including that of psychological therapies or even medication.